Welcome to Click with JFCS. My name is Sharon Schwartz and I am the Director of Community Engagement, and this is my daughter Ava.
Hi!
And like many of you, we've been at home quarantine, we've been juggling a lot in crisis mode, and it's been about 6 weeks now and we need to start taking care of ourselves, because if we don't, we're no good to anybody else. So this face mask that we're going to tell you about is all natural. It has yogurt, banana, honey, and avocado.
For a natural glowing look. So now we're going to teach you how to make it. First, you are going to take any yogurt you want, take 1 tablespoon of it. You're going to scoop it and then put it in.
And then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of honey. And this honey is special that I have. Our clients with disabilities made it during Rosh Hashanah, and it's a way for them to give back. They typically make items in our teaching kitchen and then get donated to our mitzvah food pantry or to families in need. So, and raw honey is really good for you because it opens up your pore and cleanses your face. And yogurt's really great because it reduces circles and dark circles and fine lines. And the next ingredient is, Ava?
Banana. So we're just going to put a quarter in. I'm going to take that all and then just put it in there. And now we are going to take 1/4
of avocado.
Yes.
And avocado is really great. It's like the hot ingredient in a lot of facials these days. And avocado moisturizes and has vitamin E and C. And banana is really great. It brightens and reduces wrinkles. So now what we're gonna do is mash it all up.
And we'll just finish mashing this all up, and now we're gonna put it on our faces.
Now that we put the mask on, we're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes to set in, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Now that we've rinsed the mask off, I have to say, it feels so good. Ava, what do you think?
I think it's a 10 out of 10, recommended. Bye!